Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add a bookmark on Google Chrome. So there are three methods and I'm going to show you all three methods on how to add a bookmark on Chrome. So for the first method, you need to first open up Chrome, and once you've opened up Chrome, go to the website you want to add as a bookmark. I'm going to choose Wikipedia here and click on the website you want to go to. So this is the website that I want to add as a bookmark. The first method to add as a bookmark is to go to the top right of the address bar and you'll find a star icon. Hover over the star icon, and as you can see, it says bookmark this tab. Click on that. And it will ask you for a name and the folder you want to add it to. And once you've chosen those things, click on done. So this is the first method on how to add a bookmark on Google Chrome. So the other method to add bookmark is to use the shortcut. So I'm going to choose Wikibooks for this example. And to simply add a shortcut, use the shortcut Ctrl+D. And as you can see, the same window that has appeared before appears. And once you've chosen a name and a folder, click on done. And as you can see, both Wikipedia and Wikibooks have been added. So another method we also have to add bookmarks is to drag and drop it to the bookmark bar. So to do this, what you need to do is go to the address bar again, and on the left side you'll see an icon next to the URL, and hold that and drag that to the bookmark bar. And as you can see, by dragging and dropping to the bookmark bar, you can add bookmarks. So these are the three methods to add bookmarks. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.